memorial guest book is something that you could treasure for years to come. It will have names and addresses of those who loved your loved one and also their condolences. When you're ready, you're going to click here, click on Memorial Guest Book, click on the purple button, and with this one, there's just a few changes to make. You're going to click, hold, and drag your loved one's picture into the center. You will double click on their name and put in the name of your loved one. If your name is bigger and you need to make changes with that, you can use these purple buttons right here to left click, hold, and drag them. If you think the text is too big, you can also click on the box. That will bring up this text option, and you can click to decrease the font size. Then you would double click down here, and you can put in your loved one's birth date and death date. And then once you have that done, on the inside cover, there's a thank you message. To change that, you could double click, backspace, and write whatever it is that you'd like to write. If you don't want to have that and you just want to have thank you, you can just click into that box, hit your back button, and that would take that away. In that case, I suggest that you come to the thank you, click, hold, and drag it down, and you'll see these red lines appear. So you want to get centered this way, and then you continue down until you see the crisscross of the two red lines, and that means that that is centered. And after that, the rest of these pages don't need to be edited at all. If you'd like to see what your book is going to look like, you'll want to click here on the cover so you can see it from the beginning. Come up here to your preview button, click preview, and then these arrows will take you through to show you how beautiful your book is going to look. There are 36 pages. That's enough for 136 guests to leave their names, addresses, and condolences. When you're done with the preview, you can come up here and click the close button. That will take you back to your main page. You can use this bar here at the bottom to see all the different pages. You'll want to come back here to your cover again. And now, once you're happy with your book, you can come up here to print photo books. You can print your book right here on Canva. This is an example of what the book would look like in a hardcover. By default, Canva is going to print all of your pages, which is what you'd like it to do. It also shows you the finished amount of how much it would be to get your photo book. That will change depending on your options. You can choose from a small, medium, or large book. I like the medium one. You can see that changed your price. Also, soft cover or hard cover. You can choose whichever one you like. I like the hardcover because I want to keep it for a long time, but that's entirely up to you. This is the one that's most important, is your paper finish. You want to choose the soft touch finish. And the reason is, that's the one that you can write on. Make sure that you choose soft touch finish. Once you do that, you can continue. And then Canva will let you know if there's any fixes that need to happen. All you need to do is click this button up here, and it will adjust all the other fixes for you. And then you can click Checkout. Once you do that, click your shipping speeds. You will be adding in all your other information, and that will open up the Continue button where you'll be able to check out. And soon you will have your beautiful keepsake delivered to your door. I hope this helps. And I'll see you in the next module.